Good morning to all. I am Kasturi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women in Ottanjathiram. Today we have discussed about in my topic Indian economics. First one, introduction of Indian economic. A company economics growth in usually measured by the national income indicate by gross national product and GNP. The GNP is the total monetary value of the goods and service produced by that country over a specific period of time, usually 1 year. The quality of life is being assessed by the several indicates such Human Development Index and HDI. Then Gross National Happiness Index. So the term Gross National Happiness was coined by the fourth king of Bhutan in 1972. It is an indicator of progress which measures sustainable development, environmental conservation, promotions of culture and good governance. Then meaning of Indian economy. Indian economy is the sixth largest economy of the world, being one of the top listed countries. Then in terms of industrialization and economics growth, India holds a robust position with an average growth rate of 7%, even though the rate of growth has been comparatively settled and there will still things of backwardness. Then futures of Indian economy. India has a mixed economy. Agriculture plays the key role, an emerging market and emerging economy, fast growing economy, fast growing service sector, large domestic consumption, rapid growth in urban area, stable macroeconomy. Then weakness of Indian economy. Large population, inequality and poverty, increasing price of essential goods and weak infrastructure and inadequate employment generation and outdated technology. So demographic trends in India: size of population, rate of growth, birth and death rates, and density of population, sex ratio, life expectancies at birth and ratio. Resource of economics, national research, renewable research and non-renewable research, and land research and forest research. Then importance of mineral research, Iran and gold and lichen and aluminium, mica, crude oil and gold. Economics infrastructure. Educations of the India, education system of India, education institute of India. Then three types of education. Then health in India, health in has service in India. So contributions of Indian economics. Factors of production, agriculture, public finance and public expenditure and external assistance and poverty and being wealth and welfare state. Thank you.